Hello friends, this is 19th video of JavaScript tutorial, and today in this video we will talk about DOM, Java query, and also at the end I will tell you that how you can insert Java query in your codes. So now let's first of all talk about DOM. Now what is DOM? DOM is document object modeling. So first of all, document. What is document? Here document means the HTML page. When we load the HTML page on the browser creates objects for that HTML page to get the access to all the elements of that HTML document. Now what do you mean by the elements? The elements are here. All these are called as the elements which are there inside your HTML document. These the head, the body, if you are inserting any image, then form, these all are the elements which are there inside the HTML document. Whenever the HTML page is loaded, an HTML tree is created by the browser, and that tree is called as DOM tree. Now DOM tree includes the hierarchy. Hierarchy means inside this is the hierarchy means after HTML you will always have head, and after this you will be having body, and inside body you will be having all other those type of elements, and inside the body you will be having your script also. So this is called as an hierarchy of HTML document, and this hierarchy of HTML document is called as DOM tree, and it is created by the browser. This hierarchy is created by the browser. And why the objects and this hierarchy has been created by the browser is to get access to all those elements which are here using their ID from the JavaScript. Okay, so if I want to get access from here, from inside the JavaScript, to any of these elements, if I want to make any change in any of those elements, then I can do this with the help of DOM. Here you can see that I have used here in my previous videos, you can see in my previous videos that I have used so many IDs, and I have got the access from my JavaScript from here to these various elements, and I have made changes through them. So here you can see that in this example also I have used this document.getElement by ID, and here button I have used, and this button here I have given an ID to this element which is uh, which is a button, and I will make changes in it. I will make it functional, and I want it to perform certain tasks with the help of getting access to it using this ID button. Okay, in the similar way I have got here one more ID of this element, and here I have got the ID of image here for this image. Now let's talk about jQuery. As I just told you that we can get access to those elements which are present inside the DOM tree, but it is not very easy to get the access. To get that access, there are certain tools which are used, and all those tools are present inside the jQuery. So here jQuery contains the various functions and methods which help us to get access and to manipulate the DOM tree. If I want to use the jQuery library, for that first of all I will have to load it on my HTML document. To do this, here you can type www.jquery.com. Here you will click here download jQuery, and you may have your latest version here. And here now there are two ways for downloading the jQuery. The first way is to download the jQuery using your CDN, using jQuery with a CDN. Now what this CDN is, if you are using the CDN here, then you can use the jQuery library when you are online, but you cannot use jQuery library if you are offline using CDN. So if you want it to be offline, in that case you will have to use here the jQuery, this one, the download the compressed production jQuery from here. Okay, so first of all let's understand the CDN, how to upload this CDN on my page. Here you can click on this one, and here you can click here minified, and from here you will get this code integration, and you just copy it from here. You can copy it from here like this, and after you copy it you can put here it like this, and new script will be from here. Okay, so this one will allow you to get the jQuery library online. But if you are not online, in that case you will have to use the another method. You just go here again, go back, and here to download it on your local disk, what you do is you just click here and right click here and save link as. You just say you can save it anywhere. For example, I have created this folder and I want to save it here. So now I have downloaded it. I will go to my local disk, and here I had saved it on my desktop, and in desktop I have created a folder that is JavaScript, and here I have this is where I have loaded it. So for this what I'll do is I will right click on it and I will click here on properties, and inside properties you can see this is the path where I have loaded it, and take a copy of it, and I will go to my codes, and here inside this script, instead of this I will write here that path, complete path which I have just copied. Okay, so and I will always write it with source is equal to this whole path. Here you can see that still the name of the file has not been written here. So for this you will again go here in that folder, and inside this folder you can see you just copy this whole name including this .js. So copy this name, and after this using this backward slash you paste this name here, and at the end .js must be there. Okay, so if you are not able to copy this .js, then you can insert this js uh, after copying it, so like this. And after this now you have loaded your jQuery library on your code, but this is not the correct place where you should insert your JavaScript. Where you should insert it, you should insert it inside the head. Why you should insert it inside the head? Because of the reason that you want it to be preloaded before all your these codes. Okay, so if you want to preload anything, that thing you should insert inside the head. So this is the right place. Even if you are using CDN or you are using the offline JavaScript library, you should always use your J library path inside the head. I hope you liked my video. So have a nice day. Goodbye.